you have a triangle here
Yeah.
where the 3 must add up to 180. So he just looked for the missing measure. And then here, 56 is the opposite angle to 56. So they also must be equal to each other. Okay? Okay, let's look at number 5. Number 5 has a parallelogram, and the 2 diagonals are drawn. We really don't need the letters because we have all kinds of other stuff listed here. What do we know about those 2 diagonals?
That they bisect each other.
They bisect each other. Okay? That's not important apparently for this though. All right.
It could be.
We have 110 degrees, Z, Y, 70, and X. We're asked to find the measures of X, Y, and Z. What's the easiest one first, Scott? What do you think?
Well,
The
that's
easiest
wrong.
one is X because it's,
Scott's talking.
X is easy because it's vertical angles with 110 degrees. So it has to be a-
Did I have my X in the wrong spot?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And you have your Y and 70. They go in the
Yeah,
left.
Y and 70 is the left, Y is the top, 70 is the bottom. The left.
X, Z, 7. Oh, sorry. That's what happens when you don't have a picture exactly right.
No.
No.
Wrong.
Y goes at the top, on the left triangle at the top. We can draw.
Top left is Y, bottom left is 70.
No, I'm trying to get my things to fit in. Y'all leave me alone. Look at the diagonal. It's Z, X, and 70. Z, X, and 70. Then 110, and the Y is with the 70.
70 is on the other side.
Yeah, it's on the 70. The 70 is on the other side of the line, and then Y is above the 70.
First off, parallelogram.
Yeah, you can get
So
rid
you
of
only
the
have one side.
All right.
Parallelogram is supposed to be slanted around.
Okay, here we go. X is, as Scott said, X is equal to 110 because vertical angles are congruent. What else can we find easily?
Z is 70.
Supplementary.
Also, interior.
Z is 70 because they are
Also interior, opposite angle.
alternate interior.
The other 2 vertical angles are 70.
Very good. Why?
Because that'll help you find everything else.
Well, I understand it'll help me, but how did you know it was 70?
Because the supplementary.
Because this is a straight line, so these 2 angles are supplements to each other. Now all we need to focus on is this triangle to find Y.
40.
40. Because the 3 angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and we already have 140 of those degrees. Very good. Yes.
How do you determine the length of the sides, like for number 5 and all that on the next page? Because how do you find the A and B?
Okay, Josh has a question. How do you find the lengths of sides in a parallelogram? All right.
But then
What do we know about the opposite sides of a parallelogram?
parallel.
They're congruent to each other also. So if this is 5 and this is 10,
I didn't know that. I thought they were just parallel.
Then the
That'll
other
be
side's
10.
5, the other side's 10.
Okay, never mind that.
then this is also 5 and this is also 10. So let's go back. What do we know about parallelograms? Opposite sides are congruent
And parallel.
and parallel. Opposite angles are
Congruent.
congruent. Consecutive angles are
Supplementary.
diagonals do what?
Bisect each other.
Bisect each other. Okay? That's what we've learned today about the parallelograms. Use that information to work your homework tonight. Page 169, 1 through 23, odds.
Besides. Can like,
What?
I don't know why I'm asking you.